Hello everyone, this is Prakriti and today we are going to discuss an important topic. The topic of discussion today is the internal disputes between Assam and its neighboring state. Our topic today is Assam and the Mizoram state dispute. So if we take into consideration before the post-colonial time, that is British era, the entire map of the northeastern region was comprised of Assam, then the state of Manipur and Tripura. These were the three states which formed the entire northeast region. Then after independence 1947, there were certain states which were carved out of the northeastern region. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya. Now what happened is the dispute between Assam and Mizoram can be traced back to the colonial time, that is the British Raj. During that time what happened is Mizoram it claimed for a different demarcated state, and as per the 1987 statehood was provided to Mizoram as per the 1986 Mizoram Statehood Act. So what happened is after that time Mizoram came out from the entire northeastern region and it became a separate state as per the Mizoram Peace Accord. But the point of clash between the Assam and Mizoram is the notification which was given by the British government which regard that particular land will be demarcated in between these two states. So there were two important notifications because of which there are multiple clashes between Assam as well as Mizoram. The first demarcation is 1875 demarcation, and according to that demarcation, the Lusai Hills, which is the present Mizoram, and the Kachar district, that is the present district of Assam, these two were demarcated as per 1875 demarcation. And this demarcation, this notification was accepted by Mizoram, since they considered that their community or their chief were considered by the British Raj during this notification. But Assam follows the 1933 demarcation or notification which is given by the British Raj, and that was given by the British Survey of India. According to that notification, what happened is the Lusai Hills, which are part of Mizoram, then Manipur and the Kachar district, these three are demarcated by this notification. So there are number of clashes in between Assam and Mizoram as per this notification given by the British government, because as per Assam they will consider the 1933 notification and as per Mizoram they will consider the 1875 notification. There is no particular conclusion which notification to be considered while considering the boundary between Assam and Mizoram. So as per the 1933 notification, which was later given by the British Raj, there is a 165 kilometer demarcation between both the states of Assam and Manipur. Considering three states of Manipur and three states of Assam, these three states of Manipur are the Mamit, the Kolasip and the Aizawl, that is the capital of Mizoram. And the three states of Assam are Hailakandi, Karimganj and Kachar. So now there are multiple disputes, and these disputes have occurred 7 years after the statehood was provided to the state of Mizoram. That is in 1944 the first dispute it took place, and there were multiple allegations put in by both the state officials, both the police officials of both the state, and till the time recently in 26 July 2021 there has been an allegation that the Assam police, they had dismantled some of the huts of the Mizoram local people, and because of that Mizoram they intervened, they lashed back and they fired most of the Assam police officials. Some of the locals were also harmed during that incident. 6 policemen were killed. So there has been multiple allegations going on, but the conclusion, there need to be a particular conclusion to this topic, right? So in order to conclude, in order to come across a particular resolution, the central as well as the state government had to take intervention. The central as well as the state government had to form a committee comprising of the local official, the chief as well as leaders of both the states, and this committee had to make certain resolution regarding the land disputes. Since there are multiple land disputes, recently the Assam government has also claimed that there is a reserve forest along the boundary line of Assam Mizoram boundary. There has been reserve forest, and in that reserve forest illegal claim has been seen. So that is another allegation put on by the Assam government. Therefore, the central as well as the state government had to take intervention in this regard. A committee, proper committee need to be formed, resolution had to be passed, Supreme Court had to take initiative that whether these resolutions are followed or not. Since we all know that Assam is a land rich in resources, rich in oil, if we say that the tea, oil and as well as various kind of resources are rich in Assam, and therefore there is a connection between Assam or the northeast region and the Southeastern Asian country through the Chicken Neck corridor or the Siliguri corridor. If there will be internal disputes in the northeastern region, then it will lead to some of the deterioration in the internal trade organization, in the internal businesses which are conducted from the India and the Southeastern Asian country. In order to put a conclusion, in order to resolve these internal disputes, we need to take into consideration these important facts. So this was about today's video. If you want to add something more, then write down in the comment section, and till then, bye bye.